If your 6 months old is rejecting food, make this. It took my baby 60 seconds to finish this. This 4 ingredient baby food has more iron than Cerelac and babies love it. Oats, carrots, dates, and bell pepper. If your baby hates veggies, watch what happens when you add bell pepper. Bell pepper is rich in vitamins, helps to ward off cold, and add this very yummy flavor to food. No salt, no sugar, just perfect for your baby. Try this and ensure to add milk of your choice, either breast milk or baby formula, and your little one is going to enjoy eating this. Thank you so much for watching.